Good morning, children. Today in this video we have to discuss about the relation between the small g and the capital G. So the small g is the acceleration due to gravity. The value of small g is 9.8 meter per second square, and capital G is the universal gravitational constant, and the value of capital G is 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and it is discussed in the previous video. Now we have to consider the Earth of mass me, and radius of Earth is denoted by Re. On the Earth's surface we have to consider the particle of our body of mass m, small m. So now we have to calculate the gravitational force which is acted between the Earth and the given bodies. The distance between the Earth and the body is given Re. It is equal to the radius of Earth. So according to the Newton's law of gravitation, force F equal to G, formula is F equal to G m1 m2. So in the place of m1, mass of Earth me, in the place of m2, the mass of the body m. So G m1 m2 upon G m1 m2, that is G mem upon Re square in the place of R square. It is the gravitational force which is applied by the Earth on the body, and the gravitational force which is applied on any body due to the Earth, it is always equal to the weight of the body, F equal to W. And everyone knows the weight is the multiplication of mass to the acceleration due to gravity, mg. Weight is the vector quantity and mass is the scalar quantity. So the value of small g is the variable. It is vary due to the height, due to the depth. The value of small g is decreased due to the depth and due to the height. So F equal to W. Now put the value of F equal to G me m upon Re square equal to m into G, weight of the body. So small m and small m is cancelled. So the value of small g equal to capital G me upon Re square. Capital G is the universal gravitational constant, m is the mass of Earth, R is the radius of Earth. Me the mass of Earth, Re is the radius of Earth. So it is the relation between the small g and capital G. Capital G is remain constant, mass of the body is remain constant. R, the radius of Earth, is constant, but small g is vary due to the height, due to the depth, due to the rotation of the body, due to the shape of the body. Relation between the mass and weight. Mass and weight. Mass is denoted by m, weight is denoted by W. The unit of mass is kg, unit of weight is SI unit is Newton, and CGS unit is dyne, and 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Mass is the scalar quantity, it is the scalar. Weight is the vector quantity, it is the vector quantity. Mass is remain constant at every point. It is constant at every point on the surface. It is remain constant, but weight is the variable. Weight is vary due to the change of place. Thank you.